On my 2007 Bandit 1250S, I couldn't stand the way the stock seat was shaped. Um, on the rider's seat, it sloped up towards the back and was really uncomfortable on the longer trips. So I got fed up with it. I pulled the stock seat off. I had a spare seat laying around, actually, with some worn covers on it. So I pulled those off. I proceeded to sand down the stock seat so it was more flat. And while I had it apart, I went ahead and got a heating element on Amazon. It was about 25 bucks. So I had that installed before I had it recovered at a local shop here. Um, Went ahead and swapped everything over because the seat has a plastic carrier unit that holds the front and the back seat together. And you can see here that the seat came together pretty nice. Completed seat assembly. While I had the seat off, I went ahead and installed all the wiring that came with the heating element kit. Comes with a switch and just wired straight underneath the gas tank straight to the battery. So really pretty simple. Um, the plug was just right there by the battery under the seat. So um, really not that hard to do, honestly. I like the way the seat came out. The upholsterer, I kind of gave him some freedom with some stitching, so I think the red came out pretty nice. The material I chose to go with was a gripper seat vinyl that they usually use on Sea-Doos, I believe. It came out pretty good. I was pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching.